Okay, I made Rage game in 5 hours. What I wanted this game to be is a 40th game. The definition of a 40th game is a game with only one level. No checkpoints and no leveling up. So the only thing you can level up is your skill. So games like Getting Over It, Pogo Stuck, and Jump King. So the main idea for this game is that you control the slime, and you have to drag him up the level. So first I got cranking on some art. I know I shouldn't be making art before making any game mechanics. It's just a habit of mine that I do need to get rid of. And I looked up a tutorial on how to drag jumping in Unity and boom. Um, wait. Boom. But, well, there's an itsy bitsy problem. There's no feedback on your drag, which is kind of a problem. So I added this trail to the mouse cursor, and it feels a lot better. But the slime doesn't really feel very slime-like, so I added some animation. And I also made the camera follow the player. Okay, now we have the mechanics down, time for some actual level designing. So I just plopped down a few platforms, placed down a few more platforms, and I also added this slide to a few of the platforms to make it more frustrating. I placed a few more platforms. You wouldn't believe what I did next. I placed a few more platforms and I added in this rocket at the very end. So you ride it and the game's over. And finally, I made the main menu. Now, if you'd like to play this game, you can download it in the link below. I've made an itch.io page for it. If you have made it this far into the video, then you probably like my content. So please subscribe if you want to see more of these devlogs. So, see ya.